Unlike all the other social media platforms that are designed to capitalize on their members and outsource their personal data to the advertisers, Fortress was built to protect its members, educate, empower, and get them paid. So what is Fortress? It's a hybrid between a Facebook and an Amazon. Fortress is a 3x9 social referral network community, sometimes referred to as the Matrix. With a Fortress membership, our members are positioned to capitalize in three major ways. 1. Save money. 2. Advertise their own products and services. And 3. Make money by generating an ongoing residual income. To join the Fortress community is only $10 a month. And that positions a new member to capitalize and save up to 25% on all Fortress products and services. Fortress is adding new products and services on a weekly basis and will continue to do so until everything you can think of is available on the Fortress platform. Fortress provides its members with a platform where they can list their own company products and services and advertise to the exponentially growing Fortress distribution network. With social media and the merchant platform, members can now integrate their social media world with the world of Fortress and for the very first time in history get paid for sharing. The Fortress ecosystem. The most significant benefit is the opportunity to earn an ongoing residual income for your direct role in bringing new members into the Fortress community and growing the Fortress ecosystem. This compensation plan enables every member the opportunity to generate a monthly residual income that balloons into a monthly income of nearly $30,000 per month. The power of the internet, social media, and your contacts make it easy for your personal community to rapidly expand and generate an ongoing income while you sleep, travel, or play. So let's take a look at the way a 3x9 force matrix works. Every member in Fortress has to do one thing, and that is bring in 3 like-minded individuals. 3 people who can afford $10 a month, 3 people who want to change their lives, and 3 people who want to change the lives of others. So when you go out and bring in your first 3 people, you will be earning $3. You're going to get paid $1 for every single person you bring into the network. Now, we suggest that you bring in as many people as you possibly can. It's very simple, and all you do is bring in 3 people. Now, when those 3 people that you brought in go out and bring in 3 people, you would now be earning $9 on your second level. Now, you're making a total of $12. In a business where you're paying $10 a month, you're already in the green. But guess what? It gets even better because your second level is going to go out and do the exact same thing and bring 3 people into the business. Now you'd be earning $27 on your third level, $9 on your second, and $3 on your first. When you add those 3 levels together, that is a total of $39. But guess what? It gets a lot better because the third level is going to go out and do the exact same thing. So on your fourth level, you'd be earning $81, and you add all of those levels together. Now let's take a look at the fifth level. You'd be earning $243 on the fifth level alone. So when you add all of these levels together, that is an additional $300, well, just over $300 into your household. Now keep in mind, all you've done thus far is paid your $10 monthly membership and introduced 3 people into the business who wanted to do the exact same thing. And now you're earning over an additional $300 a month. Ask yourself, what could you do with that? But guess what? It gets a lot better because your fifth level is going to do the exact same thing and go out and bring in 3 people. Now you're earning over $1,000 a month. Now, what would you do with $1,000 a month? I won't spend your money for you, so I'm just going to let you answer that question because it gets a lot better. Look what happens when your sixth level goes out and bring in their 3 people. Now you have a potential of more than $3,000 a month. What are you going to do now? Buy a new car? Get a new house? Are you still going to continue to work for someone else? There's just so many things you can do with an additional $3,000, but as I said earlier, I won't spend your money for you. I will leave that up to you because there's still more to come. Look what happens when your 7th level goes out and bring in their 3 people. Now you're making over $9,000 a month. Need I say more? In this scenario, all you've done is brought 3 people to the table, 3 like-minded individuals, and paid your $10 monthly membership, and they did the same. But as I stated, this is a 3 by 9 force matrix. This is only 8 levels. Look what happens when your level 8 goes out and bring in their 3 people. You would now be earning over $19,000 on your 9th level alone. And when you add all of your levels together, that's $29,523 every single month you could potentially earn by becoming a Fortress member. And just sharing, just a human being a human. This is something we do all day, every single day. Tell your friends and family about this, show them this incredible opportunity, and you could have a potential nearly $30,000 a month earnings. But guess what? It gets even better. Because once you get a full matrix, you will receive an additional $10,000 monthly bonus. That's right, $10,000 monthly bonus for the rest of your life. So now we're talking nearly $40,000 every single month for you doing something that you do already anyway. You're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on Twitter, you're on all of these different social media sites, sharing photos, sharing experiences, but you're not being paid. You're on Amazon buying products, selling products. But for the people that are buying and paying a Prime membership, you're not making any money. Fortress is changing that. We are going to compensate you for doing what you do already anyway. Now, once you've achieved this level, there would only be one thing left for us to do, and that would be to welcome you to success. It is time to succeed. It is time to stop running in the rat race that no one ever seems to win. Life is to be enjoyed, and with Fortress, you can enjoy life. So once again, thank you for taking a look at Fortress. Please get with the person that had you watch this presentation and ask them how you can become a member today.